Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, have you been having issues in connecting your Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro to an iPhone? Worry not, this is a step-by-step guide on how you can connect it successfully without any setback. First, install Merge on your Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro. If your Google account is associated with your watch, you can install the app directly from your phone or computer. Alternatively, simply open the Play Store on your watch and search for Merge. Once you've installed and opened the app, you'll be greeted by a welcome guide. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to set up permissions for notifications and Bluetooth, and will make sure notifications are set up correctly on your Xiaomi Watch. Now, it's time to connect your Xiaomi Watch and iPhone. Scroll down in the device list and select Add Another, which will make your watch visible to the iPhone. Just follow the on-screen instructions to pair the two devices. Once paired, a prompt will appear on your iPhone asking for permission to share notifications. Make sure to approve that. With everything set up, your iPhone notifications and phone calls will now appear on your Xiaomi Watch. So enjoy it, and if you have any question, please drop it in the comment below. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.